All right, class. So, how are y'all doing today?
Pretty good.
Good, good. Glad to hear that. So I have a needle and a balloon. Does anybody know what I'm going to do with it? Any ideas?
The balloon.
I'm going to pop the balloon. Sounds logical. I mean, why not pop the balloon? Keaton?
I'm with Anna. I think you're gonna pop the balloon.
Okay, we'll get back to that. I have a bag of water, and I have some sharpened pencils. Does anybody know what I could do with that?
You're gonna pop the bag of water and get water everywhere.
That would be funny, wouldn't it? We'll get back to that as well. So, class, observe and watch. I'm going to blow this balloon up. Good size. And if you're not good at time balloons, just call me over to your desk. I'll be able to help you guys out. I know how hard it is. Okay. So does anybody know what I'm going to do with these two? Pop it, you said?
Uh-huh.
All right. Now I'm going to put a little bit of oil on this. Does anybody know why I'm going to put oil on the needle?
To make it go to the balloon faster.
Close. Actually, it's to reduce the friction that's on the needle. Does anybody know what friction is? Justin?
Is it kind of like inertia to where it's the resistance to motion?
Exactly. Good answer, Justin. I like it. Now, class, I want you to observe carefully and see what I do. Voila.
Wow, it didn't pop.
It didn't pop. Now, can anybody tell me why it maybe didn't pop?
Because it's filling the holes. The needle's blocking the holes.
Good answer, good answer. And that's part of the answer, but actually, this balloon is made of polymers. Now, polymers are long chains of molecules that create this balloon, and it makes it stretch. Therefore, when you're blowing up the balloon, it expands the polymers and they stretch out. Does anybody know why it didn't pop though when I stuck the needle through? Anybody know how I put the needle in?
Slowly.
I did it slowly, that's true.
You put it through the part that's still really thick at the bottom.
Good observation, yes. I stuck it through this bottom part, and you can tell by the color of the balloon that it's a little bit darker. And the reason why the top part's a little bit darker and the bottom part's a little bit darker is because the polymers aren't as stressed at this point from the bottom to the top. As you can see, the sides are a very light color. That means they're stretched out pretty good. And so when you're sticking the needle through here, it's pretty dense. So when you stick the needle in there, the polymers wrap around that needle real fast, not allowing the air to come out. Good, class. Well, I'm just going to set this here. I'll pass it around. Everybody can look at it. Be careful with the needle point. Good job, class. Love my scientists. So with the same concept, class, we're going to do the same thing with a bag of water. All right?
Do we get to stab these pencils through?
You know what? Come on up. Come on up, Keith.
Yes. Keith.
Come on up here. Anna, would you like to come up too?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to do a demonstration real fast, and then I'll let you guys do it. Here you go. So, I'm going to take this plastic bag. Does anybody know what this plastic bag is made up of? We just went over it.
Plastic. Polymers.
Polymers.
Polymers. Good job, guys. And it is made of plastic. It is. But the polymers are the molecules that make up the plastic. So, does anybody know what's going to happen when I put this to the bag?
Maybe it'll happen like with the balloon where it won't totally pop, but maybe it'll leak some water, maybe.
Okay, okay. That's a good observation. Well, let's just try. as you can see, no water is leaking. Keaton, would you like to give it a try? Now, when you're stabbing it, make sure you just don't abruptly stab it, you know, like you're stabbing a person or anything like that. But just gently.
You don't want to cut that one. Okay. Wow.
Good job. Anna, would you like to try?
Oh, there it goes.
And
I wrecked it.
it's okay, it's okay. But look,
There's always one.
even though hers leaked, it's stopping a little bit. But you guys get the concept of the polymers?
Yes.
Good, I'm glad. So just write everything that you observed today during our experiments in your notebooks, and we will answer your questions or any concerns tomorrow.
Okay.
All right.
Thank